Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This here is a text file that I've got on my desk with desktop with a string in it, so seeking chars in this file. Let's just close that. That's on my desktop. Let's go into the IDE and we're going to create a program that seeks characters in a file, and then what it does, it saves them and creates another file and prints it onto your desktop. So without further ado, let's create a subroutine called seek chars. Okay. I'm going to create a path to my desktop, so this is my own personal desktop path. It's not yours. Yours will be different, so you will have to find your own desktop path. Because if you simply just type in this code and try and run it, it won't work on your system. So this is going to be users. Mark desktop here. So that's my desktop file path, and I'm going to change the directory to that path. So we are now in the desktop path. Okay, I'm going to type in seek, and we're going to create a variable called file here, and we're going to type in, let's say 10 bytes into there, and we're going to start at 0 here. Let's just move that out a little bit. Okay. In fact, I'm not going to have that there. I'll just take that off there. Okay. Right, the next line, I'm going to create another variable called, let's have a look. Oh dear, I've missed some, haven't I? I made a little bit of a mistake there. I got carried away, got ahead of myself. Okay, we're going to open the file that's on my desktop first. So that's going to be opens my scalar file, and we're going to read it. So my scalar file is a.txt. Okay, and then we're going to give it an error message or die, and then we're just going to give it a generic quick error message, error opening. Okay, that will do. Okay, right, so we've got that there. So we're going to read that file on the desktop, and we're going to start go up to 10 bytes from 0. So my file chars here, another variable, and we're going to read the file, and file chars up to 10. Right, okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create another file on here, and we're going to print those characters that we read into the new file. So I'm going to type open, give it a file handler, file, and we're going to create here. I'm going to create a new text file, so I'm just going to call it new.txt, and error handler or die, couldn't create. Something very generic like that, just for this example. Okay, so we're going to print. This is going to be scalar file, and then the file characters from within that file that we've read through. Okay, and then we're going to tell the program to sleep for 1 second, so it's going to be paused for 1 second. This basically gives the effect that the program is working. Then we're going to print file created, data copied. So we're going to create the file, and then we're going to copy the data into that file. New line here, and then of course to finish we're going to close the file. Okay, now all we have to do is to call the program, which is going to be seek chars. Okay, and then let's just save the program. Let's just run it. Okay, not enough arguments. So what have I done here? Let's just check this out. I'll just stretch that out. I see the problem. Missed out that just there. So let's save it. Let's run the program. File created, data copied. Let's see if that's true. Look at the desktop. So we've created a new file there. Let's see if the data has been copied. So let's have a look at A first. So we're looking at the data in there, and now let's look at the new file, of course, and you can see the data has been copied from there to there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.